quantum fluctuation in the process of alpha-omega thermodynamics sigma-ZG matrix and quantum anti-gravity sigma technology. MENAFN.com. Boeing launches X-37B on SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket. MarketScreener.com. Scientists identified a protein that prevents cellular aging. Tech Explorist. Science Environment. DevDiscourse. Science Environment. DevDiscourse. European Space Agency shares time-lapse video of Earth from space to celebrate New Year 2024 NDTV. Galaxy S24 Ultra leaks via marketing posters in Brazil. Reveals Galaxy AI, Sam Mobile, Samsung News. Organs on Demand, AI Innovation, CRISPR for Cholesterol. Top 10 Tech Breakthroughs of 2023 Genetic Literacy Project. Can technologies, Zoomers, outrun the Doomers? Financial Times. Koei Tecmo locks in Fate, Samurai Remnant, DLC Volume 1. Release, Nintendo Life. BlackRock ETF leak triggers Bitcoin price surge past $45,000 after Goldman Sachs issues huge 2024 Ethereum, XRP, Solana and crypto prediction. 4.